I'll guide you through maximizing the Amex Duo, pairing the Amex Gold and Amex Platinum cards to build a high-earning travel engine. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. By pairing the Amex Gold and Amex Platinum cards, you split your strategy into two roles. Use Amex Gold card for your everyday living expenses to quickly accumulate membership rewards points. Use Amex Platinum card for booking travel, accessing luxury lounges, and leveraging premium travel perks. Here is what different Amex card types earn. Amex Gold card earns for X points at restaurants worldwide and for X points at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year. Amex Platinum earn 5X points on flights booked directly with airlines or through AmexTravel.com, up to $500,000 per year. Amex Platinum earn 5X points on prepaid hotels booked through AmexTravel.com. Everyday standard purchases earn 1X points on both cards. For everyday dining credits with Gold cards, you can receive up to $120 in Uber Cash annually, up to $120 in dining credits, up to $100 in Resi credits, and up to $84 in Dunkin' credits. For travel credits and VIP access with Platinum cards, you can access the Global Lounge Collection, including Centurion lounges, receive up to $200 in Uber Cash annually, $15 per month plus $35 in December, a $200 airline incidental credit, hotel statement credits, and elite status with Marriott and Hilton. Link both cards to the same Uber app account to receive a combined $25 per month, $10 from Gold plus $15 from Platinum, to use on rides or Uber Eats. Apply for the Amex Gold card first before applying for the Amex Platinum card to protect your eligibility for both welcome bonuses. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.